Today's video is sponsored by the W Brothers. If you guys aren't familiar with the W Brothers, you guys are going to want to stick through this to find out exactly who they are and why they are the best in making custom jewelry. Now I know some of you may be thinking like, why jewelry? Why are you being sponsored by people who like do custom jewelry? But hear me out, guys. The W Brothers are known for their amazing customization at amazing prices. So think of them as the one-stop shop for custom jewelry. They craft each piece with the highest care and quality on the market. They specialize in silver jewelry, but for mine, the one that I ordered actually put a nice coating of gold on it. So that is right, guys. I did order my own custom pendant of my actual channel logo. It is in here. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'll look at it in a little bit after I explain to you the rest of why you should buy their product. They're able to provide a free sketch consultation and guide you until you're 100% satisfied with every custom piece. I'm sure each and every one of you have something or someone in your life that brings you sentimental meaning and value in your life. It may be your brand, it may be your loved ones, or it may be an awesome passion or skill that you have. Cement that into an everlasting pendant, ring, bracelet, earrings, or any accessory you love to wear. Even the smallest details matter to the W Brothers because that's what sets you apart and makes you one of a kind. Discovering your individuality in the most eye-catching way is their commitment to you. So go check out their website and go to the customization tab to start your creations today. Obviously, all the links will be left in the description below, so go click on those and you will be able to go to the website. Now let your imagination run wild with your favorite jewelry, whether it's designing something completely from scratch or choosing an idea from their best-selling bases. It was super easy for me to customize my own pendant, and that's probably why they're blowing up so much recently. The quality and their touch is something out of this world. Like I'm telling you guys, they've worked with plenty of celebrities, they worked with YouTubers and plenty of other clientele, providing top service and professional craftsmanship. Now, if customization isn't your thing, don't worry. Their website offers a wide range of men and women accessories designed to make you specifically stand out. Now, here's the important thing, guys. For a limited time, I have a code called HYPE15, and if you use that on your next purchase on the W Brothers website, you will be able to get 15% off your next purchase. Now don't forget to check out the W Brothers on all their social medias, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, their website, all their links will be in the description below. But with all this being said, guys, let's see what my pendant actually looks like. All right, guys, switching up the angle just for a little bit, just to see the opening of this. And I do want to show you guys the box that it came with. It looked pretty cool. Got a bow on it. It has the logo, their logo on it. It says the W Brothers. You can see that right there. Some nice detail added to it, but let's go ahead. Let's open this. And I swear to you guys, I still haven't seen what this looks like. Okay, so here's the logo again, right on the top. Nice little flower on the outside. Let's go ahead. Oh, and there it goes. Ooh, guys. This looks pretty cool so far. Let's open her up. How long does it take HYPEMYKE to open a bag? Who knows? Man, guys, check that out. That is so cool. Man. My logo. That's so cool. HYPEMYKE. Gold everywhere. Very nice. Super cool. Definitely can't get this anywhere else. Now guys, before we do get into the video, I do want to remind you to go check out W Brothers on their Instagram. They're currently doing a giveaway where they're going to be giving out a free custom bar necklace on their Instagram. So go follow them on there. All their links will be in the description below. So go click on that. Go check them out. Now with all this being said, guys, let's get back into the video.